Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another episode. If it's your first time here, my name is Onesmus and I welcome you to subscribe to my channel. For the returning viewers, as usual, thank you so much for the support. And today's topic, I'm going to talk about 3 key skills that you need to land work from anywhere job. Uh, Basically, here I'm talking about a remote job, and there are quite a number of skills that we can talk about here. But today, let me focus on just 3 top skills that you need for you to be able to excel in a work from anywhere job, or for you to have higher chances of landing one. Okay, number one is communication. Now, talking of communication, this is a skill that is basically for any type of job. But now I'm putting more emphasis on this because uh, it puts you in a scenario where if you are working from anywhere, you have people who are in different geographic locations. You are not in the same office. You are not in the same area. You are coordinating teams that are in distant locations. Now, um, it becomes very important for there to be proper communication, because it's not like in an office setup where you can walk into someone's office and you talk to them and you tell them what you need or what you are thinking. With this one, it's remote. And what you need is to make sure that there is effective and proper and continuous communication that is going to help build trust between you and the teams and the colleagues that you are working with. If people know that you are available during the work hours, if they know that they want to reach out to you, they are going to reach you. If they know that when they send you emails or messages, you're going to reply, now you're going to build more cohesiveness in the team or the colleagues, the people you are working with. So communication, if you can be able to give clear information about what's happening, what you are doing, and everything that is just revolving around the work, then chances are high that you're really going to excel in this kind of a job, working from anywhere. But remember, we are saying communication, it's a skill for just any kind of job, but here it requires more emphasis because you are working with people whom you are not physically in the same location. Let's move on to number 2 skill is tech platform experience. Now, you need to have familiarity with some of the tools that can help you in working online. There are quite a number of platforms that are basically used for that, because different teams in different geographic locations, they're going to need these platforms for them to be able to collaborate, to work together, to have meetings, and tools such as Slack, Trello, Zoom, Google Workspace, Google Meets, quite a number of tools that are available that work as enablers of online working or working from anywhere kind of a job. It's good you have familiarity with these tools, how they work, and you have some experience. The good thing with most of these tools is that you can get free access online and you can be able to practice on your own even way before you start working. So you have the advantage of familiarizing yourself with these tools, and when you land this job, it will be very easy for you to be able to work on these platforms, become effective, give good contribution, and you will regularly enjoy the work that you are doing as well. Let's move on to skill number 3, time management. Now, working from anywhere kind of a job comes with a level of freedom. And if you are not disciplined enough in terms of time management, you will not be able to achieve any output from your work. You need to have time management skills. You need to know what to prioritize, when to prioritize it, and you need to set aside time that you need to work on tasks that are on your plate. Because if you don't do that, you end up getting lost in the freedom that comes with online work or working from anywhere kind of a job, and you will not be able to achieve anything. So you really need to make sure that you are setting time aside for work. If it's 9 to 5 job, Make sure that you've set aside that time for work, making sure that also you're not like overworking yourself. You are taking regular breaks, because sometimes working from home, there is a risk of overworking. You can easily forget yourself. Now that you are working at the comfort of your house, you can easily forget to differentiate between you are in the office or you are at home. Okay, so there is a very delicate balance in between not dedicating enough time to do the office work, and also dedicating all the time to office work and you completely forget about yourself. It's all about making sure that you are managing your time well. You can prioritize, and working hours are working hours, irrespective of where you are operating from. And with this kind of discipline, then you will find yourself that you are really excelling in this kind of a job. Okay, so those three key skills are very important if you are thinking of looking for working from anywhere kind of a job, or you already have one. They are going to help you to have very good outputs. They are going to help you to work smarter and not harder. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, and see you in my next video. If you have comments, put them in the comment section. You can like and you can share with someone. Thanks so much. Bye bye.